Hi, I'm style expert Bernadette Vita. My friends call me Bernie or Bern, or sometimes they call me
Bernadette.
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 Va-va-voom, Bernadette.
It all started about 10 years ago after the sudden loss of my father. I realized that I wasn't as emotionally, physically, and spiritually fit as I knew I could and wanted to be. And I really became fascinated, actually, since I was a young girl, with people and how to be the best versions of ourselves. It also happens to be my initials, BV, but being the best version really just took over. And for the past 10 years, I have been working as a plus size model. And I've worked with the best hair and makeup team, the best stylists, the best photographers, and with my degree at the Fashion Institute of Technology, I'm able to bring image consulting, style expert tools to you. And I've been fortunate enough because I have worked with wonderful hair and makeup artists and style experts, but I want to make sure that you are able to come at any stage of your life. I love working with people in all areas of their careers, their lives, their personalities. It makes me feel so wonderful when someone calls me and says, I look awesome, I look fabulous. I love that. I really want you to wear 100% of your clothes. I don't want you to spend money on things you don't need. So really, I'm kind of like an accountant, really, too. I'm saving you money here. I want you to invest in yourself. I want you to feel like you are the king and the queen of your home, your throne, your office, whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, I want to help you achieve it. And I think with style and your image, that's the key. The key is you. You're putting your best foot forward.